We know that the Versant presses are smart, versatile, and profit ready. And believe it or not, they got actually smarter. Let's have a look today under the hood at some of the new features and enhancements on our new Versant line. Kelly's going to join us for a look under the hood of the 4100, but before we begin, let's talk about the base configuration. What comes standard with a 4100? Well, you get 2 oversized high-capacity trays, you get your 3 internal trays, you get your print engine, and you get the full-width array cabinet. But on the 4100, something brand new is the ability to run 400 GSM stock. So that's a really robust media, and I'm going to run that out of the oversized high-capacity feeder. Kel, what are some of the other things that you like about that? What do you like running on a Versant?
Well, first of all, Brian, I love how versatile the Versant is for your stock handling. You know, we can run everything that's expected from your basic medias, a little bit smaller than 4x6, all the way up to 13 by 19.2. But we also have the ability to print those XLS medias up to 26 inches. And then, of course, we get into the fun stuff, right? We've got your envelopes, we've got your synthetics, and your window clings. So really, the Versant allows for tons of options that enable you to say yes to the work that your customers are giving you.
Yeah, Kel, that's important. And you know, all of that runs, and it runs through the fuser. Let's go ahead and look at the fuser area right here, right? And it starts with the compact belt fuser, right? So compact belt fuser, you talk about envelopes. I'm gonna be able to run envelopes right out of the tray, right? I'm gonna be able to run them 100 pages a minute, but also magnets, window clings, all of those different things that run not only perfectly, but they run with this Ultra HD 10-bit technology that's unique to the Versant using that EA toner. But it gets even better. You know, it's about registration, right? Because if you're running those 400 GSM business cards and you're cutting them, if your front to back registration's off, you may have to throw that job out. So it's little things like this, like production accurate registration. So inside of there is a head stop that's actually physically going to register that sheet, and then over 50 sensors that are going to watch and track that sheet of paper as it runs through the press at 100 pages a minute, right, to ensure that I've got that registration. And how it happens is it happens, I'll call it automatically, and it happens through the full width array. Now the full width array, again, is standard, it's included. On other competitive presses, you'd pay up to about $20,000 for this capability. I'll open it up and show it to you on what some of the things are in here. There is this is a cooling block, right? It's a cooling block, it's got a belt, there's a cooling block, and that's gonna cool that sheet because at 100 pages a minute, running through that Versant, it's gonna give me a really nice flat sheet. That's important that if I'm gonna finish it or if I'm gonna run it through the finisher. But what I really love is our full width array technology, right? And I'm going to use that for alignment, registration, color management, and we have a new technology, and this technology is called Predict Print Media Manager. Kel, can you tell us a little bit about that?
Yes, and I am thrilled to announce Predict Print Media Manager as a standard offering on the Versant 4100. This is an exciting new software that works with the full width array and is backed by crowd-sourced artificial intelligence. So what this is doing is easily and quickly allowing your operators to load media with all of the right settings automatically. And how do we do it? Simple, scan, load, and go. So we have a barcode scanner that comes with the software. We're able to scan the barcode on a Xerox media, on a non-Xerox media, load the stock in the tray, follow the Predict Print on-screen wizard, and any operator now will have the best settings for that stock automatically.
So really, an operator has no more guessing, no more error. I'm not throwing out sheets. I've got perfect jobs every time. Scan, load, go, artificial intelligence.
Predict Print Media Manager learns over time. So it's actually collecting data from all of the Versants that are utilizing Predict Print to optimize those settings over time to ensure the best output at every run.
Right, so really everybody is automatically going to become an expert on that press, and I don't have to get into going in and changing settings. So really some great features. The Xerox 4100 press, smart, versatile, and profit ready. The ability to print on 400 GSM, a brand new DFE that includes Fiery, Edge, and FS400 software. Predict Print Media Manager software for scan, load and go simplicity of printing. A press that's built to bring profit back to printing.